Hello, in this video I'm going to show how to make a countdown timer and game over screen. Create a third-person template project. I named mine Countdown. I'm using Unreal Engine 4.26, but you can probably use any version you want. Create two widget blueprints. Name one of them Game Clock, name the other one Game Over. To create them, right click and go to User Interface and Widget Blueprint. I'll show you how to program the third-person game mode blueprint. First of all, create these variables. This is Game Over, uncheck here, and this is Game Clock. This is a variable type time span, and the default is set to 5 minutes here. Now I'll show you how to create the blueprints. This is the event tick. This is 1 second. This is less than or equal to. It's important you have to open this up so it will compare it to 0, otherwise it won't work. This is a custom event that I'll show you how to make down below, so you got to make this before you can use this here. This is Game Over. This should be checked. This is a custom event. This is minus. Open this up and set this to 1 second. To open this up, you have to right click. I'll show you how to create the game clock blueprint. Double click on it. Drag in this text and create this. And from this drop down, create a binding. And then on this binding, you create this blueprint. I'll show you how to create the Game Over widget. This is text. Enter this text. This is a button. Should name it the same as it's named here, and the size of content should be checked. This is a text, and enter this text here. Then over here you're going to create these two blueprints. And if you highlight the button and select plus, it will create this for you. And create this blueprint. And this blueprint is above here. Create this blueprint. I'll show you how to create the level blueprint. I'm going to demo the countdown timer. I'll press play. So you can see it starts at 5 and it starts counting down. Now I'm going to demo the game over screen. Let's almost to 0 now. So there's the game over screen, and you press restart to start a new game. And then the countdown timer starts again.